Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn the poem Brother and Sister. This poem is written by Lewis Carroll. It's a children's poem. Lewis Carroll was an English writer. So this name was his pen name. He was known as Charles Ludwig Dodgson. Brother and Sister is only a humorous representation of a childhood quarrel between siblings. Brothers and sisters do many things together. So, before we begin to read this poem, let's try to answer these questions. How do you spend time with your brother or sister? Then, what are the things that the two of you like doing together? Do you ever fight or argue with each other? Then, what are the reasons for doing so? Then, how do you take care of each other? All of you try to answer these questions. Here, Brother and Sister is a poem about a brother who tells his sister to go to bed to rest her weary head. The sister thought that he is teasing her, so she replied that she may hurt him. Then he threatens to make a broth out of her. After that, he runs to ask the cook for a pan. When she hears that the pan is for him to make a stew of his sister, she firmly denies his request. These are the things happen in this poem. Now let's read the poem. The poem has 7 stanzas, and the first 6 stanzas have 3 lines each, and the last stanza has 5 lines. Sister, sister, go to bed, go and rest your weary head. Thus the prudent brother said, do you want a battered hide, or scratches to your face applied? Thus his sister calm replied. So in this first 2 stanzas, the brother commands his sister to go to bed and rest as she is looking very tired. So, in response to that, the sister threatens him and asks him if he would like to be beaten up and scratched. The sister does not care for what the brother tells her and stands up to him for teasing her. Then, out of third stanza, sister, do not raise my wrath. I would make you into mutton broth as easily as kill a moth. The sister raised her beaming eye and looked on him indignantly and sternly answered, only try. Here, the brother replies by threatening her back and asking her not to make him angry. Wrath means anger. He could turn her into a mutton broth. Broth means soup as easily as he could kill a moth. Moth means insect. So the brother is threatening her by saying that he could make her into mutton broth or he could kill her like a moth. Now the situation turns into a full blown fight, and the sister angrily dares him to try and turn her into a broth. So his sister is asking him to try. Over to fifth stanza. Off to the cook he quickly ran. Dear cook, please lend a frying pan to me as quickly as you can. And wherefore should I lend it to you? The reason cook is plain to view. I wish to make an Irish stew. What meat is in that stew to go? My sister will be the contents. Oh, you will lend the pan to me, cook? No. So in this last answer, you can see that the brother runs to the kitchen and asks the cook to lend him a frying pan. When the cook asks him what he needs it for, he tells her he wishes to make an Irish stew. The cook then asks him which meat he would be adding to it. He tells her it would be his sister, so she refuses to lend him the pan. So, students, you must learn to treat each other and your siblings very well. That means one should be nice to one's siblings and treat them well. Whatever the differences and quarrels, at the end of the day, siblings were always there for each other. So, remember these things. Hope you understood the meaning of this poem. All of you read this poem and learn it. Also complete question answers in your copy. Next week, be ready with grammar book. Take care. Thank you.